You've heard about cryptocurrency and blockchain, but did you know that crypto mining is what really drives our economy forward? Sean Prescott, CEO of Unity Investment, visited us to share more about Unity's award-winning crypto mining tokens. Welcome, Sean.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Now, Sean, can you explain crypto mining for us?
Absolutely. There's a lot of misconception about crypto mining. A lot of people hear about Bitcoin, but they don't really understand how it works. To put it as easy as possible, it's really just validating transactions. Like if I have a Bitcoin, I'm transacting it or transferring it to you. These decentralized machines all over the world, they make sure that I had that Bitcoin in the first place and that it was properly transferred to you and that you received it, okay? You can maybe look at it a bit like a decentralized postal service where you send out a letter, but you send it to everyone, and whoever delivers the letter first gets to have that transaction fee or that postal stamp. So with crypto mining, you're actually gaining new crypto every day with every transaction you're validating, which creates a total different investment vehicle or different investment structure than what people are used to in the normal stock market or index market.
And can you tell us about the services that Unity Investment provides?
Yes, absolutely. We take away all the technical difficulties that arise from running a huge mining facility. We already have a big crypto mine in Switzerland where we use the green hydro energy that we have there due to our Swiss Alps and all the snow. We have extremely cheap electricity as well, cheaper than China, cheaper than Canada, for instance, and a fantastic environment regulatorily to actually thrive as a business in the blockchain space. So taking away all the technical aspects of it and really facilitating the funds, putting it into machines, operating them, and then paying out those transaction fees that we gather through all those machines that we're operating to our customers again, so they have the most beneficial and efficient product service.
Unity Investment AG has created a one-of-a-kind crypto mining token that allows anyone in the world to benefit from the mining revolution. It assembled a world-class team of entrepreneurs, engineers, strategists, and designers with over 100 years of collective experience from Switzerland.
So Switzerland has actually been for decades one of the most innovative countries worldwide and a very attractive location for doing business. So it was no surprise that 4 or 5 years ago, the first movers like Ethereum in blockchain have come to Zug and asked us to help them create this new ecosystem, which we then eventually called Crypto Valley.
Well, I got to know Sean through some business associates of mine, and I was very impressed with his deep knowledge and his seriousness about crypto mining. As I've been involved in investment advice and investment anything actually for the last 30 years, I didn't consider crypto as anything serious. It was more something for spotty nerds. He changed my opinion. I talked with him for hours and tried to put a leak in his investment proposal, and I couldn't find it, which really impressed me. One should realize that the serious investment world consists of over 60 years old. They're starting to get involved in crypto, but they're not really there yet. I think they should be there. I think Unity makes a proposal for a serious, really serious use of crypto. It's going to stay. And it's going to grow, so people should get interested.
And can you tell us about your initial coin offering and how Unity Investment came to be?
Yes, we started out actually a few years ago just being friends and family mining. Again, I've been involved in the crypto space for several years now. I've been around the blockchain, so to say. And since last year, especially since there was a big movement in the general population of understanding and hearing about Bitcoin and knowing what was going on, we really figured out, me and my two partners, Adrian and Alex, said, look, we really need to make this big, scale what we have, allow people from outside to get involved. And our ICO is essentially just expanding and scaling what we already have. We're making it available for anybody in the world who wants to and can participate in the crypto mining revolution to do so, no matter where they come from, what their tech skills are, what their monetary situation is. They don't have to miss out.
And Unity Investments won Best ICO Project of the Year award from Cryptocurrency World Expo in Warsaw. What is the significance of that award?
It's a fantastic honor and a privilege to have won that award. We literally just started our roadshow right then and there in Warsaw. It's an award that is given out once a year. It's been given out the year before in 2017 in Berlin. This time it was in Warsaw. I was there upstate on stage presenting it to about 2,000 people, competing against several other teams. I think about a dozen teams out there, showing their project and all that. And it was voted for by the audience. They liked the project. They saw the value behind it. They saw the framework, regulatory, the transparency and all that. And we brought the award home. So we're very happy about that one.
Congratulations to you.
Unity Investment is a world-class mining solution located here in Altendorf, Schwyz, Switzerland. We're very honored to be connected with Unity Investment as a member of the association, and also they're carrying the name of Switzerland on the global stage, and having recently received a world award. Is of great honor not only for the company Unity Investment themselves, but also representing the Crypto Valley Association and Switzerland on the world stage.
Sean, can you talk about the importance of transparency in the industry?
Yeah, it's very important, I have to say. In any industry, especially involving monetary value in that way, transparency is key. And especially right now in the blockchain space, where it's kind of new to a lot of people, they don't really understand it. They really need to see what's going on. And we really focus on that with our proactive mining solution that we have, to show people exactly what their machines are doing, how these machines are functioning, what they're generating at this moment, and giving them a clear overview, not just on the financial side, but also trying to educate them on things around Bitcoin, around blockchain, other cryptocurrencies, how they come up, how they're created, what their value is, why they have an intrinsic value. Those are the kind of aspects surrounding the entire transparency aspect of our business.
Can you explain for us how Unity takes care of managing all the technical details for its clients?
Absolutely. We have our facilities in Switzerland. We have our primary facility has about 30,000 square feet of industrial grade machines. They basically are mining a different type of coin depending on their specifications. What our algorithm does is really automate the actual mining process. So we have very low overhead. We don't have any employees there in the facility. It's all automated. And our algorithm ensures that we're checking the market at all times in real time and converting the hash rate, the compute power essentially, to the most profitable coin at all times. Just always giving the best possibility for making the most out of your investment.
Unity manages the maintenance of the hardware and software infrastructure for the generation of cryptographic currencies based on blockchain technology.
Sean, what type of training options do you offer to help your clients better understand crypto mining and adoption?
We're building our platform, we're scaling it in terms of allowing people to have an insight in an educational kind of sphere. It's not just about looking at the your financial assets, your crypto, being able to pay out your rewards in different currencies. It's really about a platform of bringing people together so that they'll understand how it works, even just the basics, how to set up a wallet, how to send a Bitcoin, understanding that it's not much more difficult than sending an email. You enter an address instead of an email address, you have a wallet, and you transact that. It's very straightforward. We're uploading videos. This is coming out later this year.
Right.
We just want to have people understand it, take away the myths around it and the uncertainties.
Right.
People will invest into things that they understand, and we're working hard on that.
You take away the intimidation
I
for
think
us.
so. Yeah, it
It's
seems like
wonderful.
such a big, complicated subject, but in reality, if you just sit down and you go through it a bit, you probably understand in less than 5 minutes.
That's excellent.
What is really important that the crypto mining that Unity Invest AG does has no correlation whatsoever with normal investment categories. Stock markets are sky high. real estate values are heavily inflated and you don't get any interest on your bond portfolio. With a non-correlated investment like crypto mining with Unity Invest, you avoid all the problems that these markets give you. And it will still give you income when everything else doesn't. So now it's time for everybody to have a part of this investment category in its serious portfolio.
Sean, what is the vision and mission of Unity?
In the name itself, Unity, it's about bringing people together. It's about creating a general understanding of crypto. It's about letting people from anywhere in the world who can and want to be a part of the crypto revolution to join us in our product and service that we offer. We want to be able to work closer with governments. We already do. We're working closely with the lawmakers, with Crypto Valley Association, with other very important key players and banks. And we want to educate them as well as institutional clients, make them understand that crypto is nothing dangerous, nothing to be afraid about. It's something that is revolutionary and will really change the way that they can operate their business.
How can people benefit from the mining revolution?
First step is probably go onto our website and open up an account. It's very straightforward. If you want to be a part of the crypto revolution, you can have your tokens with us, you can keep your currencies with us, you can invest into our mining solution, our proactive mining solution, and you can check your rewards that you're getting paid out. You can essentially manage your entire funds on the crypto space. And I think we have a fantastic product, a really elegant solution for people that want to kind of dip their toe into the crypto businesses, don't want to go all in just yet. In fact, you can invest in US dollars, have the crypto be mined, and actually be paid out onto your bank account of choice in US dollars as well. This is something really new and is only really possible due to the regulatory aspects and our licenses that we have in our company.
Excellent. Well, Sean, it sounds like Unity Investments is truly starting a revolution with crypto mining. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Kathy.
Thank
Great
you.
to be here.
Thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.